Hello there everyone. Welcome to the SolidWorks 2020 Basics tutorials. Today we are going to draw a very rudimentary sketch and then possibly extrude it into a solid model or part. So this is the sketch that we want to draw today. Let us first start by creating a sketch on the top plane. I'll let you know why I'm selecting the top plane. Not that important, but then you will know once I finish the sketch. You say sketch and then say, okay, let's start sketching. First, let's make the basic skeleton of it. Draw two circles. Let's give it a dimension. This one is 28. This one is 40. Oops. That one is 40. Then there are two circles on top and the bottom. Circle one, small one, big one, small one, and a big one. There you go. Let's give it dimensions too. Smart dimensions. This one is 7. This one is 7 too, and the bigger one is 15. R is the radius. Phi is the diameter, so this one is 15. And now all we can do now to make our life simpler is to say that both of these are equal to both of these instead of just giving them double dimensions, right? So let us see how we do that. Click on this circle, it's equal to this circle, select it, then say equal. There you go. We do the same to the other one, say equal. There you go. And then you know the distance between the two circles is given. Let's give it a dimension. You say 55, and then you want to make sure that it's symmetric, so you dimension the centers. And now let's use a basic sketch relation. Sketch relations are nothing but equations. You want to always want to center both of these circles and make it symmetric, right? Even though whenever you vary your dimension, it should automatically make it symmetric. So what we do is hit the equal to and say that it's half of this. We select this dimension and say divide by 2. So it's always going to be half and symmetric, right? There you go. We have our skeleton for this part. Let us create this piece here. So in my previous video, we've seen all the uses of these sketch features. Let's use one of the basic ones. That's a straight slot. There you go. Straight slot. You can just draw basic one and then make another one there. Boom. There you go. And now you have the basic skeleton of your drawing. Let's give this a dimension 2. This one is 11. this one is 18, and we have been given this dimension too. So that is 32.5. See what happened there? This isn't fully defined. It means that your sketch can move around. So what we want to do is put both of these features, these sketches, in line with the center. We can do that very easily. We choose a center line, just draw a center line vertical, and then this is a basic construction line, right? It won't be part of your final sketch or your model. So you say infinite line, and then it's going to create an infinite line no matter how far you scroll. Let's put both of these on this line. You select the center and the line and say coincident, and you do the same with this one, and you say coincident. There you go. Now this part of our sketch is fully defined because it's no longer blue in color. It means that no matter what you do, your dimensions won't change. No matter what you want to change, your dimensions won't change. It's fixed. It's fully defined, this part. But our entire sketch isn't fully defined because these are blue, and then you can pull them apart and your dimension will change. We don't want that. So now let us continue with our sketch. Let's give this the dimension. We know this, and this is 15. Yeah. There you go. That's our basic skeleton. We're going to now draw its outer boundaries and finish the sketch. By the way, these features in green are the sketch features or your sketch relations. They give you the relations between your various sketch entities. That is, this coincident point defines your center of the circle is coincident to this sketch entity. That is your center line, and you get a lot of sketch relations like that. This is for horizontal lines, that is horizontal to your x-axis. This means coincident. This means equal to, which we've already defined. Alright, let's draw these ribs. Say line, take anywhere on this, and then you'll automatically get a tangent by seeing the blue, right? You click anywhere. See, it's already defined the tangent there. The sketch relation is a tangent, so this line is always a tangent to this circle, and it is a tangent to this circle, which is what we want. Let us do the same on the other side. Instead of just drawing a line there, let's make our life simpler. Click on this one, and then since the model is symmetric, we can just mirror this part onto the other side, right? Let's use our mirror entities, and then you selected the line already, and you say that mirror about, this is your mirror line. Select the line. There you go, that's your other line, and it automatically does the sketch relations too. The same thing can be done on the other side. Let's create our infinite line on that side, on this center, parallel to the x-axis. There you go, boom, and then you say infinite line, right? Okay, let's mirror these two. Mirror about, and there you go, boom. You get your sketch. Now let us put these lines. Let's use another trick we can use now. let's say we want to extend this part. That is what the drawing says, right? We're going to extend this line onto this circle. So what do? We can create a line and then delete this, create a line again and delete this, but we don't want to do that. We want to make our life simpler. SolidWorks gives us a lot of tools to do that. So what we will do is use extend entities, use trim entities first. Let's trim this part. There you go. There you go. And now all we do is extend this to this point, this to this point. So you go again to this, go to drop down, say extend, boom, there you go. And then boom, there you go. That's our complete sketch. Oh no, it's not complete. Still need to do a lot of things on it. Why is this blue? Because it's underdefined. Your sketch is underdefined. You can if you drag this around, it's going to change your sketch. There you go. You don't want that to happen, right? You don't want this to happen. So all you want to say is you have to give a dimension between your center line and this feature so that it always remains on the center and symmetric. There you go. And now again we use the formula there so that it's always half of your diameter here. So you say equal to, give this dimension, say divide by 2. There you go. Boom. And you have your dimension for that. This has become black. It means that it is fully defined now, this part, but not this. We can vary this, right? There you go. What we use here is to say that these are always in line, right? These are always in line as per the sketch. So we say make them vertical. There you go. Boom. Oh, and it's overdefined. Now it's overdefined because there's a sketch relation here which is making it overdefined. Let's just delete it. Oh, we did not have to do this now because of that. Let's delete this too. And there you go. It again says that this one is what are we missing? Oh, now I know. This is not horizontal. There you go. That is a sketch. It is fully defined no matter what you do. It is always going to remain the same. It's not going to vary. Now let's just remove the extra parts. That is, we have to remove this circle. Oh, we forgot to draw the lines here. Yep, so you say center, go straight vertical. There you go. It's automatically going to do your sketch relations, and then you select that, make your life easier. Say mirror entities. Oops, delete that. Mirror about this line. There you go. Boom, the other part is done. And you put both of these lines at the bottom too. So mirror entities about this line. Boom, there you go. And now let's remove this feature, right? We don't want that. So trim it off. Trim it off. There you go. There you go. Let it say whatever it wants to say. There you go. There you go. It says that we have overdefined it. Let's see where we've gone wrong. Yep, the coincident points were giving a problem. Now all you want here is to say that this one is horizontal, and again this one is horizontal too. Yep, there you go. Let's give this a dimension here. That is a 32.5. And now we have a fully defined sketch. It's fully defined. No matter what you do, it's not going to change. There you go. That's a sketch. Now all we want to do is make it into a part. Let's see how to make a part now. We have a fully defined sketch here. You say okay. Let's extrude this part. Let's make it into a solid model. Select the sketch, go to your features and say extrude. But we don't want the entire feature to be extruded. We want to leave out these ribs, right? So let us only select the main part of it. We want this part, but we want to say that it is symmetric, right? Let's choose the mid plane so that we get them both extruded on both sides. And let's say that it's 50 millimeters. There you go. Boom. There you go. That's our part. Now let's create our ribs. We go to the same sketch, say extrude, and now let's select the contours that we want to give the ribs to. That is this sketch right here, this sketch, contour, this one, and this one, right? There you go. And we do the same mid plane, and we don't want to strengthen it so much. We just need a little bit there to strengthen those through holes, right? For the fastener. Let's say 10 millimeters looks good. There you go. That's our part. It looks nice. Okay, so another last thing to do is let's give it a nice color. Let's say appearance, and let's make it white. There you go. That is a full part. Alright, today we learned how to draw a complete sketch, use sketch relations, use the mirror function, use the trim function, and also how to extrude and create a part. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. See ya, take care, and have a nice day. Hope you stay safe. Thank you.